Hello world, welcome back. Part 2 of belt making. So we had it in the heater for 6 minutes. This is the chiller for 6 minutes. Let's see if this belt's stuck. Let's see how we did. And there you have it. One welded belt. In a perfect world, the weld will be very strong. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. So there you have it. Part 2. That's the modern way. There's other ways. We have so many belts. I have to do a video about it. There's miles. Some of our machinery has so many belts on it. Yeah. Manly man skills, stitching belts, welding, heat seaming. Thank you for watching. Hopefully it was somewhat informative, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.